A low oil pressure reading can be serious, but it does not always mean your engine is in big trouble. Sometimes, it is just a small problem that you can fix yourself or get fixed easily. Start simple. Use the dipstick to check your engine oil level. If it is too low, top it up with the correct type of oil. Low oil is the most common reason for low pressure readings. Old or dirty oil can cause pressure problems. If the oil is thick, dark, or sludgy, change it. Use the recommended oil type and grade for your engine. Fresh oil helps maintain smooth engine operation and pressure. A clogged oil filter can block oil flow and lower pressure. Replacing the filter can improve oil circulation and fix the pressure reading. Always replace the filter when you change your oil. Look under the car and around the engine for any oil leaks. Leaks reduce oil levels, leading to low pressure. Fix leaks quickly to protect your engine. Even small leaks can cause big problems over time. Sometimes, the oil pressure gauge shows wrong readings because the oil pressure sensor is faulty. If it is old or damaged, replace it. Sensors wear out and can give false alarms. A weak or failing oil pump can't send enough oil through the engine. If the pump is worn out, it needs to be replaced. A failing pump can cause major engine damage if ignored. Using oil that's too thin or too thick can affect pressure. Always use the oil type and viscosity recommended in your car's manual. Incorrect oil can lead to poor lubrication and pressure drops. The oil pickup tube pulls oil from the pan to the pump. If it is clogged or damaged, it can lower pressure. Clean or replace it if needed. Blockages in the tube can starve the engine of oil. A dented or cracked oil pan can cause low oil pressure or leaks. Inspect the pan and replace it if it is damaged. Oil pans can be damaged by road debris or hitting curbs. Even a small crack can lead to slow leaks and long-term engine problems. When oil is cold, it is thicker and may not flow properly. Always let the engine warm up for a minute or two before driving hard. This helps the oil reach all parts of the engine effectively. If you have tried all these fixes and the gauge still shows low pressure, it is time to visit a mechanic. There could be internal engine problems that require proper diagnosis and professional repair. So, by using these tips, you can fix a low oil pressure gauge in your car. Keep your engine healthy, and it will keep you moving safely on the road for many miles to come.